Now get all the banking services for your HDFC Bank account over a quick WhatsApp chat, aka chat banking. Wondering what chat banking is? It simply brings 190 plus banking services to your fingertips via WhatsApp. Want to check the monthly account statement of your savings account? Just send account statement. Ready to shop? Know your credit card's reward points instantly by sending credit card reward points. Want to know about your pre-approved loan offers? Just send pre-approved offers. You can also get important updates, regulatory messages, and payment alerts from the bank via chat. Still, have some bank-related queries? Ask us. Wondering how to get started with chat banking? Simply WhatsApp hi or record a voice note to 707 00 222 or scan the QR code to get started. Stay on top of your finances with us. Subscribe to HDFC Bank's YouTube channel. Tap on the bell icon for regular updates.